type HTML, title, website, and link to the CSS file, style.css, and in body header, in that div and class name web. I will create UL in that list. I link to the list with the nothing and home, and copy and paste it down to create a more menu and rename it about blocks, about us, services, and contact us, and save it and go to Chrome and refresh it. Again go to code and give the styling by style.css, type star to give the all tags, padding 0, font family Century Gothic, header, background image. I will select sunset.jpg. I have put it in the same file, same folder. Height 100 VH, background size, cover, and background position in the center. Save it, and this is my photo where I have image in the same folder where index.html is there, and go to Chrome and refresh it. That's my website image. To give more styling, UL in that list style type I will top none, UL li, and that padding is 20 pixel, and give display in block line to give in the same line all the menus. I refresh it and you can see all my menus are in the same line. So go to code and again type UL li a, in that I will give color white, color black to the menus, and padding to the 10 pixel, and save it and go to Chrome. Here that's my menu, change it to the black color. I will give hover to that, so I will type ULLI and colon hover. In that I will give background color as white, and color to the text is black, and save it and go to Chrome and refresh it. So then when I go to on my menus, there is a hover created. So go to I will create a div in that class name logo, and I will select an image for my website logo.jpg. I have put it in the same folder. And to give styling I will use to give class dot logo image, and I will select the top right side, float right, and width 60 pixel, and height auto. Save it and go to Chrome and refresh it. This is my website logo and also my channel logo, and I will give the title to my website. So I will creating another div in that class name title, h1 tag. In that I will give a bold tag and type Anshu Code Vita. And in style.css I will give title h1 and give color red. Font size I will 50 pixel and position absolute, and from top 45% and from left 25%, and save it and refresh it. This is my website title. So I will create one more option there. I will create another div. In that class name bottom, link to that nothing and type learn more, and go to style.css and give styling to the bottom dot bottom. In that position I will absolute, and from top 70% and from left 35%, and save it and go to Chrome and refresh it. Here is another option, learn more, and to give default as my home section, I will create one more. I will just copy and paste it down and remove hover from there, and to select the home menu I will go to index.html. In that I will type a class as main, and save it and go to style.css, and there type dot main to give the default my main home section. Save it and go to Chrome. This is my website. Thank you for watching. If you are a new user, please subscribe me.